What is cybersecurity? B. Protecting digital information. What is a common method used by cyber criminals to steal sensitive information? A. Phishing attacks. Which of the following is not a recommended practice to enhance cybersecurity? B. Sharing passwords with coworkers. What is malware? B. Malicious software designed to harm or exploit devices. What is the purpose of a firewall in cybersecurity? B. Protecting against unauthorized network access. What is encryption? B. A process of encoding information to make it unreadable without a key. What is a VPN used for in cybersecurity? B. Encrypting internet traffic and protecting online privacy. What is a data breach? B. An incident where sensitive information is accessed without authorization. Which of the following is an example of multi-factor authentication? B. Using a password and security question to log in. What is social engineering in the context of cybersecurity? B. Manipulating individuals to divulge confidential information. Which of the following is a technique used by hackers to gain unauthorized access to a system? A. Phishing. What is the term for a malicious software that is designed to gain unauthorized access to a computer system? B. Spyware. Which of the following is a common method used by hackers to crack passwords? A. Brute force attack. What is the term for the act of pretending to be someone else in order to steal sensitive information? B. Spoofing. Which of the following is a type of cyber attack that involves overwhelming a system with traffic in order to make it inaccessible? B. Denial of service. What is the term for a security measure that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules? B. Firewall. Which of the following is a common social engineering technique used by hackers to trick people into giving up sensitive information? A. Shoulder surfing. What is the term for a security breach that involves accessing unauthorized information by bypassing normal authentication processes? C. Unauthorized access. Which of the following is a software designed to detect and remove malicious software from a computer system? B. Antivirus. What is the term for the act of gaining access to a system with the intention of fixing security vulnerabilities? B. Ethical hacking.